Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I know it's been a really long time since my last upload. I just didn't have the drive to make a video, but hopefully I upload this one right here. So today we're just going to do a walk around, kind of discuss what we have done to the car since I've owned it. I know a lot of people don't like the convertible Mustang. I just honestly got a good deal on it and I love it. I had an S1000 before and I like driving with the top down. Who doesn't like going topless, you know? Alright, so starting off with this side, I do have BMR drag springs all the way around. I have the 6-piston Brembo brake kit from the performance pack installed on there. Got the dust shield, rotor, all OEM parts. No, it's not aftermarket rotors. I got GT350 front wheels. The rear, I don't have a pair yet. I will be sourcing it. I might be changing it up, trying maybe either OEM or OEM stylish or something else. I'm still kind of undecided. The rear, these are 20s, by the way. The front is 20 by 9.5. Rear is 20 by 10. The rear tires are 305, 30, 20, and I'm running a two-row AZ850s all the way around. They're summer performance tires. Really good for the price and the way they perform. The rear, we got this MMD spoiler, performance pack deck lid, which is just a plain deck lid, and it's got covers for the tail lights. Diffuser, stock diffuser, got Corsa mufflers. It's got a Resonator Delete, it's got an X pipe, and which that leads to the front of the motor or the drivetrain. We got JBA long tube headers. We got GT500 injectors, Boss 302 intake, GT350 throttle body, GT350 cold air intake. Had to modify it a bit to make it fit in here. And you know, we also got a custom tune to make everything work. This thing's currently tuned by Majed Tuning. And I also got this Renegade series front grille. I went ahead and smoked out the halo ring and like the chrome piece, so it's not too shiny. I don't like shiny bits. So we got aftermarket headlights. Forgot what brand these are. I got them on a deal. And that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and start it up for y'all. But before I start it up, interior, kind of messy. This is a premium car. After our floor mats, I did wrap the middle trim. Usually that's like a brushed steel on this one. Wrapped it black. Got pedal shifters. I know, I riced it up. Sync 3 upgrade as well. So let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear how the car sounds like.